How to stop receiving unknown numbers, messages, and video calls on WhatsApp. Well, to stop unknown WhatsApp calls and messages, you can enable the silence unknown caller feature. So here is how you can do it. First, open up WhatsApp and head over to settings. Now, if you are using your Android device, you want to head into settings. If you are using iOS, head into profile icon, the U option at the bottom right, and then scroll down and you can see account and you can see privacy. So you can head into privacy. Once you head into privacy here, scroll down and you can see here various options, right? So you want to head into advanced option, and once you head into advanced option, you'll find block unknown account messages option. So you can enable this and you can block unknown account messages, that is unknown contacts messages. And similarly, you want to head into calls option. Once you tap on calls, you'll be able to enable unknown callers silence feature. So silence unknown callers, you can see you want to enable this and make sure it is toggled green. Hope this video was helpful. This is how you can block unknown calls and messages on WhatsApp. Do like and subscribe.